Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to learn that how to repeat a shape along a circular path. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. So first I am going to create a circle. Again I am going to create a shape. Now just select both the shapes and then select the rotate tool. Now by pressing and holding the Alt key, click on the center of this bigger circle. This dialog box will appear. Here is the angle. Here you can set that how much copies of your shape you want around the circle. And the copies you want should be divided by 360. So I want 36 copies around my circle and I will divide it by 360. So I will type here 10 because I want 36 copies. And when you are done, just click on copy. Now just press and hold Ctrl D. Here you go. So this is how you can repeat any shape along the circular path. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.